I'm still recording.
I had to start over because of that phone call.
Too much tape, Mother.
That's okay, rip it. Keep up with your sister.
That's what I'm trying to
Do it mercilessly. I know it's hard to do because it's One Direction, but go as fast as you can.
Wait for your sister, Artura.
Wait for me! Seriously?
Yeah.
Just rip it.
There's
There's
more
more
hair
hair on this than Zane. Seriously? Why did you do this to me? Oh my god. Harry is the best.
Hurry up, Madison.
Come on, Maddie. Rip
I'm
it
coming.
open.
Gosh. How do you... Oh. Okay.
Go, go, go.
Go.
Whatever. I'm just... If it's a present
Another
and a present and a present and a present, I'm gonna be mad.
You are?
Come on! Seriously? What is your problem? It's another box! Wait for me! It's just, I'm not waiting for nobody. I want to see what the real present is.
Just hang on. Let Maddie catch up to you. Please.
Oh, come on, Mommy!
Oh, what is that?
She's not waiting for
What
me.
is that, though?
It's a sticker.
No, read it. What does it say?
I love One Direction.
No, on the label.
Iron on trans. You will iron it onto a t-shirt?
Or a purse or whatever you want.
Okay, you wait for me. Never. Okay. This is the present that finally has appeared, and if it's
What's in there?
just for this. What is your problem? Why are you so mean to me?
Hang on.
What is going on?
That's another present.
Wait, what now?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, right.
Open yours,
Can I
Madison.
scream? Can I scream? I'm gonna scream.
Open yours,
I'm
Madison.
gonna cry. I'm gonna cry.
Hang on.
I don't believe this. This is your handwriting. Oh my god. Madison, it's not real.
What is it, Artura?
It's a One Direction ticket for a road drive thing.
It's the concert in July. You're going.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
You're going to a One Direction concert.
Oh my god.
Are you
Guess who
excited?
gets to stay here?
Oh my god. No one touched me.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Are you excited about that?
And I went through all that for this?
Yes, you did. Was it worth it?
Oh my god. Can I go telltale? I'm gonna go telltale. Are you gonna see Harry's style?
You are.
Oh my god.
You're gonna be in the same room as him.
Oh my god.
Don't scream too loud or else nobody else will hear the music.
So now look, you got a bracelet to wear that says One Direction.
God.
And we're gonna make t-shirts. That's what the iron-on thing is
Oh
for.
my gosh.
Is that cool?
That is awesome.
Can I stop now?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I love you.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. I love you.
I love